Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Paula's Choice Salicylic acid is probably one of the most talked about skincare ingredients for tackling blemishes and improving skin texture, and for good reason. This powerful beta-hydroxy acid, BHA, penetrates deep into pores to exfoliate dead skin cells, reduce inflammation, and prevent future breakouts, making it a holy grail for anyone struggling with acne, blackheads, or enlarged pores. Its ability to unclog pores and smooth the skin's surface has earned it a permanent spot in many routines, promising clearer, brighter, and more refined skin with consistent use. Number 5. Farmacy Deep Sweep Toner. Discover the power of our 2% salicylic acid toner. It's designed to gently exfoliate and refine your skin's texture. This formula is perfect for oily skin types, helping to clear pores without causing irritation. Achieve a smoother complexion with ease. Infused with papaya enzymes and morena water, it works to reveal a healthier-looking complexion. Enjoy the benefits of natural exfoliation. Experience a visibly improved skin texture and a radiant glow. It helps to maintain your skin's natural balance. Our gentle BHA exfoliant effectively sweeps away impurities. It leaves your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. This 50 ml toner is your perfect travel companion for clear, healthy skin. Experience the difference it makes. What we like. This option offers a gentle yet effective exfoliation experience. It works to refine skin texture, leaving your complexion looking healthier. If you have oily skin and are looking for a toner that also incorporates nourishing ingredients like morena water, this could be a great choice for you. What people say. It removes dirt and doesn't have an odor. My skin always feels great after using this. This keeps my pores so clear. I have a mix of dry to oily skin, and some parts of my face tend to produce sebum to an overwhelming degree. This is the only toner that has actually worked for me, keeping the sebum at bay while also managing not to dry out the spots that tend to get flaky with other toners. This toner kept my pores nice and clear, and as a result it kept my skin looking even and matte. Number 4. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. Discover the secret to a refined complexion. This powerful exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, revealing a smoother, more radiant you. Say goodbye to enlarged pores and visible fine lines. It effectively works to minimize their appearance, giving you a more youthful look. Struggling with blackheads? This formula is specifically designed to tackle them, promoting clearer, blemish-free skin. Experience the benefits of advanced skincare without irritation. It's formulated to be gentle on your skin while delivering powerful results. Enjoy a pure and effective skincare experience. This product is free from fragrances, making it suitable for even sensitive skin types. Achieve the skin you've always dreamed of. It's your go-to solution for a visibly improved and perfected complexion. What we like. This is a cult favorite for a reason, offering powerful pore refinement and addressing fine lines. Its fragrance-free formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin. If you're dealing with blackheads, enlarged pores, or early signs of aging and prefer a no-frills, effective exfoliant, this is the one to consider. What people say. It's a great exfoliant that helps to unclog pores and reduce breakouts. This product has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin. It effectively targets blackheads and acne, leaving skin smoother and clearer. Number 3. Paula's Choice Clear Exfoliating Back and Body Acne Spray. Are you struggling with persistent acne on your back and body? It's time to find a solution that works for you. This spray features a potent 2% BHA salicylic acid formula. It's designed to effectively treat clogged pores, blackheads, and breakouts. Experience the power of targeted treatment without irritation. It's alcohol-free and fragrance-free, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The convenient spray application allows for easy and even coverage. Reach those difficult areas effortlessly. Achieve clearer, smoother skin on your back and body. Say goodbye to breakouts and hello to confidence. Trust in a brand dedicated to effective skincare. This treatment is your ally in the fight against body acne. What we like. This spray is specifically designed to tackle body acne with its 2% salicylic acid. The alcohol-free and fragrance-free formula ensures it's gentle on the skin. If you struggle with breakouts on your back or body and want a convenient, targeted treatment, this spray offers an easy application for hard-to-reach areas. What people say. It's a great exfoliant that helps with blackheads and acne. This product has significantly improved my skin texture and reduced breakouts. The salicylic acid effectively unclogs pores and leaves skin feeling smoother. Number 2. Paula's Choice Clear 3-Piece Acne Kit. Introducing the Clear 3-Piece Acne Kit from Paula's Choice. This comprehensive set is designed to tackle mild to severe acne and breakouts effectively. Start your routine with a gentle daily cleanser. It effectively removes impurities without stripping your skin, preparing it for treatment. Next, experience the power of our 2% salicylic acid exfoliant. It penetrates deep into pores to unclog them and reduce inflammation. Finish with the benzoyl peroxide treatment. This potent ingredient works to eliminate acne-causing bacteria and prevent future blemishes. Enjoy a fragrance-free formula that is gentle on your skin. It's suitable for all skin types, even sensitive ones. With consistent use, you'll see a significant reduction in acne and breakouts. Achieve clearer, healthier-looking skin with this effective trio. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for acne concerns. It includes a cleanser, an exfoliant, and a treatment for a full routine. If you're looking for a complete, multi-step system to combat mild to severe acne and breakouts, and appreciate a fragrance-free approach, this set is designed to work synergistically. What people say. This acne treatment really helped prevent new pimples from forming. It made the existing ones smaller and less painful, and it makes my skin feel and look way better. These combination steps significantly reduce the redness and smooth the acnes in one night, very surprisingly, save for night before party. Not only is my acne almost gone after 2 weeks, but the texture and pores are smoother, and overall redness is gone. Number 1. Paula's Choice AHA/BHA Exfoliant Duo. Discover the power of gentle yet effective exfoliation. This duo works to reveal smoother, clearer skin. Say goodbye to stubborn blackheads and enlarged pores. Our formula helps refine your skin's texture for a flawless look. Combat the signs of aging with targeted treatment. It effectively reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Powered by glycolic and salicylic acid, these exfoliants work in harmony. They promote cell turnover and unclog pores. Experience a brighter, more radiant complexion. Achieve visibly improved skin with consistent use. Designed for optimal results without irritation. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine for a healthy glow. What we like. This duo combines the power of both AHA and BHA for comprehensive exfoliation. It targets blackheads, enlarged pores, wrinkles, and fine lines effectively. If you want a potent, dual-action exfoliant that tackles a wide range of skin concerns from texture to aging, this powerful combination is an excellent choice. What people say. On clean, dry skin, use this BHA, wait 20 minutes. Then use this AHA, wait 20 minutes. Then use an oil product and massage face for about 5 to 10 minutes. The first time I tried this, my face literally peeled straight off. It was magnificent. I do this once a week now, using these products, and it's less extreme than the first time, but dead skin still peels off, and my skin has been a lot softer and more glowy since I started this. And I've noticed my pores seem more minimized, like I'm finally cleaning all the gunk out of them. Within a few days, and after experiencing no sensitivity to the product, I saw improved skin tone, no flakiness, and smoother skin texture. Even my acne scars appeared diminished. I also saw my pore size reduced, and it's almost eliminated the whiteheads on my nose. This week I decided to try using it 2x a day, morning and night. My skin continues to improve, and I've experienced no dryness. My crow's feet and lines around my mouth are much softer. What's especially exciting is how much my skin tone has evened out in a short amount of time. The 8% AHA gel glides on smoothly, absorbs quickly, and leaves no sticky residue. It's fragrance-free, non-irritating, and delivers real results, brighter skin, smoother texture, and a noticeable glow over time. I use it a few nights a week, and it's helped even out tone and reduce dullness without any harshness. It feels like a quiet reset button, just enough to refresh, never too much to overwhelm. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.